Welcome back to Get Rest with Knowledge. I am Rohit, and today we are starting Chapter 2, SQL Commands. In the previous video, we learned what SQL is. Now let's understand the different types of SQL commands. In today's session, we will learn about the different types of SQL commands. These commands are the building blocks of SQL, and they help us to create, modify, and manage data inside a database. DDL, Data Definition Language. DML, Data Manipulation Language. DQL, Data Query Language. DCL, Data Control Language. TCL, Transaction Control Language. DDL, Data Definition Language in SQL. DDL commands are used to define, change, or remove the structure of database objects such as tables, databases, indexes, and views. Let's understand each command with theory and example. Here we are creating a table called Students. The first column is Student ID, which is an integer and set as the primary key. The second column is Name, which can store up to 50 characters. The third column is Age, which is an integer. So now we have